Dali. Si Julio may issue. Si Julio may issue. Asa na? Ano yabe? Ano yabe? Tandaan lang. Magandang hapon po. Makikisilong lang po kami. Nabutan kami ulan eh.
Dito mo yan, kilala mo pa, no?
Hello.
Hindi na, matagal ako din nakita dito.
Kamusta?
Mabuti naman. Nakadala kayo? Ang tagal na din nakadalaw.
Tumilong lang kami. Kasi...
Father! Kuya Boyet! Kuya Boyet!
Hi, Father.
You do swimming pool and a bicycle. It's a good moment to good. Now you don't need to go to the swimming pool.
Okay pa. Okay pa, Titi.
Okay na po. Pero may signal na ngayon. Pag nawawala yung signal, biglang kumukulong.
Pag maulan.
Maulan. Malakas ang ulan.
We connect in our television with the internet.
Oh yeah?
The internet we can see some...
You can see YouTube and
YouTube, yes.
Wonderful.
See, is Joey to control. We see.
Very good.
Oh, now we have this.
I told Radio Tudon, people doon, about the kids watching PBA there in the local museum.
We watch live
PBA
yes.
basketball.
With the new building here.
Yeah.
I passed one day.
Very good.
I was surprised.
A lot of people.
People lost there. I didn't stop.
Oh,
yeah. So it's open now. It's open. It's open. It's open there.
When there's PBA game,
Okay.
maybe about